In this video, I will show you how to invite friends to a Roblox game. To begin, go to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, find and select the game you want to play with your friends. For example, I'll choose one here. Click the blue or green play button to launch the game using the Roblox client. It may take a few moments for the game to load, so just wait patiently. Once the game has opened, click on the Roblox icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you'll see an option labeled Invite Friends. Click on it and a list of your Roblox friends will appear. From here, you can scroll through your list and select the friends you want to invite. For instance, if I click Invite next to a friend's name, they'll receive an invitation to join the game. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.